The RollHammer is a new tool for installing floors. It combines hammering, shunting, and our patented roll system to install tongue and groove floors. The RollHammer makes jobs easier and faster. It eliminates tapping blocks and pull bars, so no more need for hammers. And the slim head is a must for that last board. This professional grade tool is all you need to save time and finish that job quicker. There are two models, the RollHammer Pro and the RollHammer Max. They both have extensions which allow you to get to those hard to reach areas like under stairs and under radiators. They both have 6-inch steel heads. They are sturdy and rotate to get any angle, but most importantly they're slim in order to get into that last board. And that slim head slips nice and easy to make sure you get those tight seams without ruining your wall or ruining your plank. They are both made of steel and are professional grade. The big difference between them is the weight and roll system. The Pro is heavier than the Max and has a rolling pull system with a 2.5-inch steel cylinder and rolling wheels. The heavier tool provides more leverage when you're pulling planks tight, so it works a lot better with heavier floors like hardwood. And the rolling wheels keep the tools level and sitting on the floor to reduce fatigue. That is a big benefit for pros that are doing hundreds of jobs a year. The RollHammer Max is lighter than the Pro and features the roll bar system. The Max has a 5.25-inch steel bar that provides just the right leverage for your installs. The Max offers a more economical way for DIYers to have a professional grade tool for their home projects. Both the RollHammer Pro and the RollHammer Max are perfect to make your floor installations faster and easier, so make sure to add one to your tool chest today.